Walking the life and loving the Philippines. Today we're going to have slow cooker wings, corn on the cob, baked beans, and apple pie. We made a video yesterday of the apple pie. Here it is. It's a beautiful apple pie, and I can't wait to dig into it. So, of course, we got the slow cooker. First we need to make our sauce, and I've got a couple little cheat sheets here, so forgive me. We're going to need 1/3 cup of balsamic vinegar, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of honey, and I don't major honey. I put it into the sand and then half of it stays inside the jar, so why waste it? Alright, so after the honey, we're going to get in some 3 cloves of minced garlic, uh, 3 tablespoons of ginger, 2 tablespoons of pepper. You can do ground black pepper, I use white pepper. And 2 tablespoons of onion powder. And 1/3 cup of soy sauce. And to give it a little bite, I'm going to put some cayenne pepper in it. Not too much. Now, this is paprika, actually. I wondered why it wasn't coming out. So then we're going to put some paprika in, just because I like it. Paprika, all paprika is a red pepper that's been roasted. Then let's dry and then ground. That's all paprika is. And then, of course, a little cayenne pepper. Not too much, just enough to give it a little bitty bite. And then we need to whisk it up. So, that all whisked up. So yeah, everybody, we appreciate you looking in on our videos. And we always want you to comment. Of course, like with the big thumbs up. And share it. And also subscribe. We'll just keep bringing the videos to you, and you'll get a notification every day. And let you know that we got a new video up, because we release one every day. Alright. So then, what I have here is 6.5 pounds of miscut chicken wings. And being miscut, they're much cheaper. Now we're not using 6.5 pounds. We're only going to use about 4 pounds. So, get them in there. And they're a little bit frozen still, but that's okay. It's not a big deal. They're going to be in there for 4 hours. All right. So that should be about 4 pounds, more or less. And basically just mix them up together. I'm just going to use the best tool there is, my hand. Get them all coated up in there. Real nice. Every once in a while I'll come in here over that 4-hour period. I get my little mix up, but not with my hands, obviously. Right? And then on down the road, we'll put a little cornstarch slurry in it, and that'll thicken up the sauce, and then we'll take them and boil them under a boiler in the oven, caramelize the sauce onto the wheat. So, thanks for looking in on this segment. We're going to turn it on high or low. We're going to let it run for about 3 hours and 50 minutes. And then we're going to put the cornstarch slurry in and let that thicken up about 15 minutes, maybe 20. And once that sauce thickens up and sticking to the chicken real good, we're going to put it on a baking sheet, lined with foil, and caramelize it under the boiler. So, thanks for looking in on this segment. There will be more attached to this video, and stay tuned. Okay, guys, we're back, and it's been 3 hours and 45 minutes. So it's time to put the cornstarch in. So let's get the lid up, let it drain. And we're going to put in 3 tablespoons cornstarch. This is a ½ teaspoon. That's 4. 5. You ever notice, take this little part right here, it's flat. Now that's how to scrape it down. Scrape it up against that. For those who don't know. Give it a mix. I think it's going to be really, really good. And we also got the 3-burner stove down here. Got the tank hooked up, and we're going to make some baked beans and corn on the cob on this stove. So that's going to be in the next segment. This has to go for about 15 minutes. So I'm going to turn the boiler on in the oven now, and we're going to lay out the chicken wing on this platter, and we're going to caramelize the sauce. The sauce is going to now thicken up because it has the cornstarch in it. So that's this part, and then we'll come back to you when it's thickened up and laid out on the platter. Alright everybody, we're back. Put the cornstarch in the slow cooker, and I added just a little dab of flour also. And the sauce is thickened up. It'll thicken up more as it cools. We're going to go ahead and lay out the pieces onto the platter here, and put them under the boiler in the kitchen and the oven. And then also, after I get the chicken out, I'm going to put it in this mesh strainer. Run it through this mesh strainer into this pan and get all the junk out of the sauce, and we'll use the sauce for a dipping sauce. And there's our nice baked apple pie from yesterday. That'll be dessert. So, pretty much that's it. Now we've got the water for the corn on the cob boiling here. It's about to come up to a boil. And we got our baked beans. So we can go ahead and probably turn them off. And We put a little sugar in there. We'll put a little bit of sugar into the corn on the cob water. Believe me, this will make a difference. The taste of your corn. There's already some salt in there. So that's it for this part. We'll get the corn in there. After it comes up to a boil and it's just about there, we'll leave it in there for 5 minutes. And that's it. The corn on the cob is done. You don't want to go any farther than that. That's perfect tenderness, and that's what we'll do. Make the beans are warmed up, and we about got a meal, folks. That's it for this section. Alright guys, so I put these in the oven and caramelized the sauce. I dripped a little sauce in. Here's the dipping sauce after I went through the fine mesh strainer. And we'll throw a few pieces onto the plate. Oh yeah, nice and caramelized. And a little cilantro to top it off with. Cilantro, not too much. A little bit of cilantro. Zoom in on that, Mr. Phil. Yeah. Got the corn on the cob. It's been buttered and salted. We use sugar in the water. We got baked beans and slow cooker chicken wings with cilantro on the cob. And our apple pie. Of course, that's our different sauce. And our apple pie from yesterday. So that's it, folks. Slow cooker, wing, corn on the cob, baked beans, and apple pie. Toodaloo, toodaloo.